Hello viewers, welcome to another video. My previous video is all about the transformer, its working principle and where we use the transformer. In this video, I'll be discussing the major differences between the dry type and the oil type transformer. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, just click the subscribe button and stay tuned for more interesting videos. We will also see the pros and cons of both these transformers. So let us discuss the first difference, which is the cooling medium. In the dry type transformer, it uses natural air or the forced air to cool core and the internal winding of the transformer. Whereas in the oil filled transformer, it uses mineral oil as a medium for cooling of cores and the windings of a transformer. So what is the disadvantages of using mineral oil? It is very dangerous as it has been reported that almost 70 to 80% of all transformer failures are due to internal winding insulation failure, and this type of fault may lead to the fire and the explosion of the transformer due to vaporization of mineral oil. Since the dry type do not use oil as a medium for cooling, therefore it is very safe to be installed everywhere. So we can say that the oil filled transformer is not suitable in the public place because of fire hazard. So let us discuss the another difference, which is the maintenance. In dry type transformer, there is no special maintenance required, whereas in the oil filled transformer, it requires maintenance on the regular basis. The sample of oil has been taken on the regular interval to see whether it is contaminated or not. And second, if the breather is installed on the transformer, then it has to be replaced after some time. Therefore, we can easily say that the third difference between these two transformers is noise. In dry type transformer, it has been reported that it is more noisy as compared to the oil filled transformer. So let me discuss why this noise is generated in the transformer. Basically, this phenomena is called the magnetostriction. Due to this, the laminated cores, which is made up of thin sheet of steel, are contracted or expanded whenever they come in contact with the magnetic field. So because of this phenomena, all the sheets vibrate, which makes a humming noise. Also, the winding and the load noise also contribute to the overall noise of the transformer. Since the winding and the core are all exposed in the dry type transformer, therefore the noise is more prominent as compared to the oil filled. Next, I will discuss the efficiency. The dry type transformer are less efficient because of very limited voltage ratings and their size. Also, they are more prone to overheating if they experience overload, and because of this, they have high electrical losses. And this dry type transformer is more expensive to maintain the power supply over time, whereas the oil filled transformer is more efficient. The final comparison between these two transformers is the price. For the same rating and the basic version of both the transformer, the dry type transformer is more expensive as compared to the oil filled transformer. So based on what you require, whether you require public safety or whether you require silence or you require maintenance free operation, you can choose between both these transformers, but preferably in the public area, dry type transformer is more preferable, and in the remote areas, oil filled transformer is more preferable because of its price and also overload capability. I hope you like this video. Stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.